If your Cash App money isn't showing up in your balance, don't worry because we will show you simple fixes that can help resolve the issue. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are using a desktop or laptop, using a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible for the most stable experience. Now, if you're using a mobile device, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or ensure your mobile data is strong. Avoid using any VPN or proxy service as these can sometimes interfere with the Cash App's connection and cause errors. Once you've confirmed your connection is stable, try using the Cash App again. Now, another option that you can do is to update your Cash App. If you're an iPhone or iOS user, open the App Store, search for Cash App, and if you see an update button appears, tap it to install the latest version. Using an outdated version of the app can sometimes cause your balance or transactions to not display correctly. And if you're using an Android device or maybe a tablet, I want you to clear the cache or maybe reinstall the app itself. So open settings, tap the apps or app management or app list, find and select Cash App. You can simply tap storage and then select clear cache. If the issue continues, you can also uninstall and reinstall the Cash App to replace any corrupted app files, and after reinstalling, sign back into your account. Now, another option that you can do is verify your linked debit card. So, check your payment information by going to your Cash App, tap your profile, go to the linked bank and cards or banking section. Make sure your linked debit card or bank account is fully verified and up to date. Remember, an unverified or expired payment method can sometimes delay transactions or prevent your balance from updating. And finally, if you've tried all of these steps and your money still isn't showing up, it's time to contact the Cash App support. So open Cash App again or simply go to the support option, explain the issue to a support specialist, and provide any transaction details they request. They can review your account and help determine why your funds or your money is not showing. Basically, that's it for today's video, and hopefully one of these solutions fixed your Cash App balance issue. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next one.